Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christina, aka Chris, and if you're looking at me like, didn't I just see this already? It's because I'm wearing the same thing that I wore in my other video. That's because I am continuously going to be making videos, probably every day. No, I wish, not every day. But today I'm doing a back-to-back video because I got a few things in the mail. I don't want to continuously just record because my son is sleeping and it's probably the only time I'm ever going to be able to do it. So, gotta take advantage. I just finished reviewing the Kylie Cosmetics Bronze Palette. I'm going to put the link right up here. If you want to go ahead and check that out, go right ahead. You can actually see it because it's on my eyes. A little bit of a preview. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You can hit that bell right there. That's the notifications so that you know when I post another video. Alright, this package came in today. And I might be already upset about it. So this is a first impressions video on the Inglot times Jennifer Lopez collab. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that company right. I'm probably not. But just in case I'm not, so sorry. I'll put the name here so you guys can know what I'm talking about. But I saw, you know, Jennifer Lopez's name, and to be honest, I was completely biased because I was just like, oh my gosh, J-Lo, I like her a lot. I want to get whatever it is that she just came out with this company. It came out on Macy's, and by the time I got to it, almost everything was sold out because you guys are beasts. I was able to snatch the Highlighter Trio. But the way this bag feels, it feels like nothing is in here. I don't know. I want to open it. I want to find out what's going on. What's the tea? Alright. Oh my god. This is so small. Are you kidding me? Look. Oh my god. Like, what the hell did I pay for? How much did I pay for this? I don't even remember. It was $18 sale price. I don't remember what the retail price is. Well, altogether with ship with tax, I paid $20. But I mean, look how tiny this. Okay, I'm not upset. I'm not gonna get upset. I'm not gonna get upset because it might be really, really great. I mean, I can't help but laugh because it's so small. The packaging is this tiny. All right, let me open this up because I'm just gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. I really like J-Lo, and I don't think J-Lo would do me wrong. Okay. I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna read the back. It says, Freedom System HD Highlighter Trio. It is 7 grams, 0.25 ounces. I'm sorry, but this packaging, I was just expecting just this wow sort of thing. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a picture up of how it looked on the internet on the side of me so you can see probably where my like shock is coming from, because from the picture I didn't think I was gonna get this little plastic cut me here sign looking packaging. I'm just not impressed at all so far. I have other packages that look so much better that cost way less. Let's talk about Wet n Wild, because Wet n Wild just is amazing. At least, you know, it has a case. Once I open this up, I mean, I don't see a topper. I don't know. But this has a close. I know this is beautiful, but this is super inexpensive. Okay, I'm going to shut up now. I'm going to open this. It actually has a scissor symbol right here where it shows to cut. Alright, I'm just going to cut it where it says to cut. Okay, I cut it right on the line. Nothing happens. Let's try this again. This is like, this is the worst packaging I've ever received. I'm not happy so far, guys.
2,000 years later.
Alright. Oh my Lanta. Oh, holy Moses. This is annoying. Oh my god. Okay. Here she is. Tiny. Wow, I'm just so shocked, you guys. I'd rather spend 40 on this than 20 on this, because this is not half of this. This better be good. I'm gonna do some finger swatches. Clean hand, clean finger. I'm gonna go into the lightest shade right here. Okay. Butter here. I'm not impressed at all. Let me try the next shade. This one right here. This middle shade. Okay. I mean, this last one right here. Okay, the last one was probably the prettiest one. I'm gonna bring them up close to you guys so you can see. This one, this first one, is so sheer to me. Let's do a little swatcheroo, a Wet n Wild next to these bad boys. Lord have mercy. Here we go, Wet n Wild. Right here. Boom. Look at Wet n Wild compared to these guys. I'm gonna apply it to my face. Now, to be fair, I'm already wearing highlighter, so I'm actually going to clear my face, apply quickly foundation, and then apply that highlighter. Let me go ahead and do that. Look at that, you can see all my imperfections. Okay, good. There's no highlighter on the sides of my face. I've re-put my foundation. I'm hoping that the finger swatches were just finger swatches and that maybe it comes out much better off of a brush. This is a BH Cosmetics 3 brush. The first shade, the lightest shade here. I don't really see anything on this brush, but we're gonna go ahead and try anyway. Wait, do you guys see that? Like there's nothing there. Nothing. Oh, wait. Hold on. Oh, there she is. Lord, I had to go dig into this thing for that to pop up. Alright, she's there. She's there. Let me shut up and put my foot in my mouth. It took a little bit of work to get her there, but she's there. I'm going to now compare her to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette in shade Luna. So I feel like that's the closest shade. Oh, sorry, I forgot to dust her off. Hold on. Have to be fair. I don't know if it could hold up to the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Wow. See, when I put my brush in this palette, it like shows up. It shows up mega. So I'm gonna apply her right on my cheek. Turn this way for you guys. Effortless. And look at that. Look like blinded from the heavens. That was effortless. Effortless. I didn't have to dig into the palette. This side, Anastasia. I'll get a little close. This side is the Jennifer Lopez times Inglot. I think I'm saying it right now, but Inglot highlighter in this shade. Get closer. This one, it goes on and you can see it automatically. This one I definitely had to build. Now, I'm not saying it's not blinding. It is like a highlighter. You can see it. But as a product, as a whole, its whole like presentation, I'm not impressed. Honestly, I wasn't impressed as soon as I felt the package. It felt light, which was an automatic turn off because I'm like, why did it feel like nothing was in there? Oh, that's because this was super tiny. And the packaging is just like, how am I supposed to store this? I guess they expected you to get the magnetic palette, empty palette, so you could put this in there, but for those who don't have one, this might be a huge like headache for you. I have so many other palettes down here that are much bigger and better in my opinion than $20 of this tiny little thing. Those are my thoughts on this. Altogether, overall, it does work. It is a highlighter. It does glow. It does show up on the face, but I'm just not a fan of the packaging. It's way too small. It had no protection. I guess it's really for people who have the magnetic palettes. I don't have that, so just not a fan of the packaging at all. So if you want to go ahead and get it, you totally can if it's still available, because I know that a lot of stuff was already sold out, so I don't know if it's available. I don't know if they're gonna restock. I don't know any of it like that. You're gonna have to Google it. Other than that, you can go ahead and pick this up through Macy's. And you know what, if you like it, let me know what your thoughts are on this on this tiny little highlighter trio palette down below. Let me know if you think it's a hit or if you think it's a pass. Let me know how you feel, because right now I'm in my emotions and I'm just like majorly disappointed at the packaging. I just think they could have done better, especially with Jennifer Lopez's name, you know, like with a name like hers, I'm expecting like, whoa, J-Lo, what? Jenny from the block. Anyways, I'll see you guys into the next video, which is going to be soon, because that package back there is the one that I have been waiting for a long time. It's from the crayon case, so that video is coming very soon of everything I bought from the crayon case. So yay! Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.